We're in the final stretch.
The defense in the murder trial of Kyle Rittenhouse rested its case on Thursday, after which the prosecution said it would ask for the jury to consider lesser charges related to the fatal shooting of 2 men and the wounding of a third during protests last year in Kenosha, Wisconsin.
Rosenbaum is lunging towards him.
The defense called Drew Hernandez as its last witness, a video journalist who was in Kenosha to record the protests and now works for conservative media outlet Real America's Voice. He testified that Joseph Rosenbaum, the first man Rittenhouse fatally shot, had posed a threat.
The first thing I did identify was that Rosenbaum was charging Kyle Rittenhouse from behind.
In emotional testimony on Wednesday, the 18-year-old said he did what he had to do and admitted to using deadly force. Rittenhouse, who was 17 at the time of the shootings, is charged in the killing of Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber and the wounding of Gage Grosskreutz. He has pleaded not guilty. The prosecution said it would ask the judge to allow the jury to consider lesser charges on the criminal counts involving the shootings of Huber and Grosskreutz, a move that would lower the burden of proof for conviction.
I think it's a fundamental fairness issue, Your Honor.
All right, say what you want to say.
Earlier on Thursday, prosecutor Thomas Binger got into it again with Judge Bruce Schroeder, accusing him of unfairness, saying the defense was attempting to introduce evidence the judge had already ruled could not be admitted, claiming he was excoriated for doing the same the day before.
Yesterday, I was the target of your ire for disregarding your orders. Today, the defense is disregarding your order. If I'm being held to obey the court's orders, I'm asking that the defense be held to that too.
The judge disagreed, saying he admonished him for broaching Rittenhouse's decision to remain silent before testifying.
I was talking yesterday about the Constitution of the United States and how the Supreme Court has interpreted it for 50 years. That's not what we're talking about here today.
The judge said closing arguments in the trial would begin on Monday.